Yeah, okay, let's get started. Yeah, Space, I'm gonna take it off my watch list, I think. It's just coming out of a 2-day consolidation. I don't think there's an edge on the short side, but it could go up much more. I really hope this thing goes to 50 or something today. I'm stalking this NIO. I took a tiny smarter starter position yesterday. It looks pretty good. It's getting tight. Higher lows for over a month now. It's building it's getting really tight on the chart. Tesla, I sold everything when it took in pre-market, and I went and shorted it. Took a starter short. I'm gonna, if it goes green, I'll cover, and I may add more on like opening range lows or a break of yesterday's lows. This could be a potential double top or lower highs, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. And then GBTC, I'm just stalking. I have these Ethereum things that pulled back yesterday. This one actually closed green. Interesting. Labo, I'm probably gonna sell it today, even if I don't get stopped out. We'll see. I just think we're getting a little bit too extended in the markets. I'm just not excited about this thing. SC keeps steaming higher. Most things look pretty good. The fuel cell stocks pulled back pre-market. Like DP had like a 15% pullback in pre-market. Fuel cell pulled back a little bit, and Plug is actually green. It's actually above yesterday's highs, so that's the strongest one. Funny because this Plug was the laggard yesterday or 2 days ago, I think, and now it's the leader. So yeah, these sector plays are very dynamic, so to say. And then it's a bunch of gappers. SCDG had monster earnings, really good earnings. Zillow, I mean, great revenue growth, but they are losing so much money. There are really no profits in sight for the next few years. I don't know. And obviously, they are not buys here. They're up, Zillow is up like over 100% in 4 months. So they're not buys here. They need to go sideways for a few weeks at least, preferably a few months. Stamp is gapping higher. Sting is up from the May lows. Sting is up 300%. Amazing. Big swings. This thing was 280s just like less than 2 years ago. Argent gapping down, had a nice run since the last earnings report. Even is a very slow name. MBTA is gapping down. Yeah. Nothing I'm looking to buy pre-market really. I'm watching this NIO 410 break or whatever it is, yes, above yesterday's highs. I'm watching Tesla. That's pretty much it. And I'm gonna just manage my positions. NIO already 2.5 million shares traded. Pretty amazing. Just incredibly liquid stock. Holy shit, NIO. Oh man, I only got filled a tiny shit. Damn, what a rocket ship. Okay, Tesla, I added some to my short. Ooh, nice. Okay, Labo, I got stopped out. What's this BBI? Enormous volume in this thing. KRMD. Yeah, the nice looking breakout yesterday, but it's totally untradeable for me. Sure, it can go much higher, but I can't trade this thing. But it looks good at higher lows, at a nice range. It's a textbook flag breakout yesterday. Textbook. Oh, NIO! Fuck. Oh, I didn't get... I had 30,000 shares from yesterday, and I managed to add another 20,000 today. I wanted to add 50,000. It's going straight up. Okay. It's going straight up. Tesla on the 60-minute chart is just on a rising support line here. If it can't bounce here, I think it will pull back. We'll see. It's too early to tell. I'm short a couple of thousand shares right now. Lyft, there's nothing here. It's just in the middle of a range. It's been building higher lows since October, but right now there's literally nothing here. It's just the middle of nowhere. I don't like it. Not my type of setup. My piece of shit STM is looks like it wants to break out today. Fuel cell bounced off the rising 20-period line on the 60-minute chart. DP looks pretty decent too from the opening dip. Space looks like it wants to go to space. You know what? Maybe I'll buy the opening range highs on space. It's been building higher lows on the 1-minute chart. I don't know. Just a token position in case it goes to like 50. I don't know. Nah, probably not. I'm probably not going to touch it. NIO, it's not going to dip. Damn. Well, I guess 50,000 shares is better than nothing, but I don't want to chase it either. What are indices doing? They look good. And Russell hasn't even really broken out yet. Small cap index or ETF. Okay, space. Let's see here. Should I buy some? Risk $1. $1.50. Nah, I'll pass. I'll pass. That should be fine. BLDP, nice little bounce so far. I'm gonna raise my stop on it a little bit. Fuel cell, same thing here. I'm gonna raise my stop. Raising my stop on a lot of things. How much can NIO run? I don't know, $5-6, $7? I don't know. I mean, 5 would really be a conservative target. I think very realistically $5-6, maybe even more. This is an extreme momentum stock. It's up from September to January. This thing ran up 360%. And then it pulled back 39%, and it's been kind of going sideways for about 2 months here, or a month and a half, and building higher lows all the way. Really, it's been building higher lows for 3 months. And now it's just taking out this little descending triangle. So, this thing can really go. Really go. And the best part, this is type of stock you can risk like 10 cents to make $1, $2. That's the main part. And it's ultra liquid. So, unfortunately, I have very small size. And it is starting to take out this little IPO breakout. It's been building higher lows since October. A lot of charts that look like this. Just higher lows for the past 4 months, 3 months. This is a very thin name, untradeable for me. Tesla is probably gonna stop me out of my short. It kind of looked like a spinning top candle or whatever you want to call it. I thought this was like a lower highs, but we'll see. If it sets up well again, I may go long, but it's probably gonna take a few days. Okay, now a bunch of my portfolio is starting to turn green. Zoom has gone green. LK has gone green, Viva has gone green, Plug is green. Like all of these things gap down, and several others are about to turn green. Oh, BLDP, this thing looks like it wants to go green. Interesting. Big strength in these names. I have a lot of green energy type of things in my portfolio. LAC, this is a lithium play. I have palladium, which I think is used in batteries. I have Tesla. Okay, I am short Tesla, so it doesn't count. But I also, NIO, Plug, LK, not LK, BLD and fuel cell. Like half of my portfolio is green energy. Interesting. Yeah, my green energy portfolio is going green. Tilray triggered. Oh, look at this, Tilray. Interesting. What are the other ones doing? ACB, CGC, NBEV, Chrome, NJ. Okay. Yeah, Nasdaq is going green also. This is incredibly strong market. I just wonder, I really think there's a chance we go parabolic. Like we go like to 11,000 or maybe even higher without any kind of pullback. That would be super epic. Space is still building higher lows intraday, and it's gonna be the highest volume candle for this thing. These are hourly candles, and 24 minutes in, it's already the highest volume candle ever for this stock. It's just incredible volume. At this rate, it's gonna trade over 100 million shares today. Easily over 100 million shares. SQM and ALB, these are 2 lithium producers, very strong over the past few months, especially ALB, which is the leading stock. Very interesting things are happening. And obviously the solar names, EMPH, CG, just green energy has been the theme so far this year. And oil obviously looks like shit. Stamp, I don't know, I haven't looked at the report. It's kind of a turnaround situation. I'm not super excited about it. It's not my type of thing. But yeah, it looks good, and it's up nicely from opening range highs. Maybe it goes to 200, what do I know? I'm just not good with turnaround type of situations. Not really my thing. Nope. You just create a new chart. That's how you get several charts. No magic involved. What's Beyond Meat doing? A week from yesterday. NET is really going. Cloudflare. I recognize the name. Yeah, wow, SDMP. Whew, holy shit. Yeah, Tesla, I think I'm gonna get stopped out on my short. Incredible volume in this space. 23 million in the first 30 minutes. Wow. LTHM is another, I think, lithium stock. Yeah, I'm watching this space. I have an order in. It breaks above this range. I'm gonna buy 10,000 shares. I'm gonna risk $1 in the trade. This thing could really do something fantastic. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna risk about 80 cents on the trade or so. No, 41.40 is my. 39.40 is my average. It's been building higher lows. You can clearly see it on the 1 minute chart. I usually don't trade off the 1 minute chart, except for like first 5 minutes or so. But this is an extreme momentum stock with extreme volume, so we'll see. I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Let's go to space. Okay, I'm gonna cut the stream because I have a thing I have to do. Thanks for joining, and I will see you tomorrow. You'll get to your first million. You'll get there, trust me. And after you get to your first million, the second million will be easy. Trust me on that one. As long as you don't fuck it up. It all depends on you. Just focus on price action, you know, focus on what the market is doing, what the market is trying to tell you.